Minister of Culture and Tourism Prahlad Singh Patel arrived at Imphal today to inaugurate the third Siroi Festival to be held in Ukhrul today. Upon reaching Imphal Airport, the Union Minister was warmly received by state BJP workers. During his stay, Patel will attend various programs. A high-intensity IED was found at Uripok Torang Mamlekai in the vicinity of Panthoibi Housing Complex office last night. As per reports, the explosive was found by police commando team while patrolling in the area. The IED was later defused safely by bomb experts at around 8:50 p.m. All Manipur United Clubs organization AMUCO said it is not the right time to erect Anglo-Kuki War commemoration stones in Kuki villages of the state, keeping in view of the present scenario of Manipur. As per reports, the Kukis are observing the 100th anniversary of Anglo-Kuki War tomorrow across the state, and as a part of the observance, memory stones sculpted with a one-liner in defense of our ancestral land and freedom are putting up in several Kuki villages of the state. The Kohima District Planning and Development Board DPDB meeting for the month of October was held in Kohima. The meeting was chaired by Advisor Urban Development and Chairman DPDB Dr. Naikisali Kire. Reviewing the last meeting, the District Level Awards Committee and Interdepartmental Sports Meet Committee were asked to brief the board on their sitting in the next meeting. The Northeastern Electric Power Corporation has incurred a loss of around ₹600 crores due to the blast at Kopili Dam. This was confirmed by NEEP CO Chairman and Managing Director VK Singh during a press conference in New Delhi. Singh further added that the cause of the blast is a result of the acidity in the water. Singh said that the acidic water led to the corrosion of pipes and other materials, which caused the pipeline to blast.